Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to make YouTube thumbnail in GetStencil. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com and log in using your credential. From the dashboard, choose YouTube thumbnail format, which is 1280 by 720 pixels to ensure optimal sizing. Click on Set button. On the left sidebar, click on Templates to browse pre-made thumbnail design. Search for template relevant to your video content. Click on template to open it on the editor, which you can customize as needed. Go to Photos tab on the sidebar to choose background. Select background image from GetStencil library or upload a screenshot from a video for consistency. You can click on the text tab on the right side here and add a heading or subheading for your YouTube thumbnail. Keep the text short and clear using impactful words to grab attention. Customize the font size, style and color to make the text stand out against the background. You can go to icons option here and add visual elements like arrows, border or accent shapes to draw attention to key areas. If relevant, include a channel logo for branding consistency. Adjust color, effect and alignment to make sure everything looks cohesive. Check that your text and element are clear and easily readable at a smaller size. Once you are happy with the thumbnail, click on Save and then download to export the image in a format ready for YouTube. Creating eye-catching YouTube thumbnail in GetStencil is easy with these steps. So that is how you can create YouTube thumbnail in GetStencil. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.